Right now I am using Fantastic. I just spraying this down, I'm gonna wipe it. This is now a clean tabletop small router. This is a dirty Black & Decker table saw, and I'm about to be cleaning it. We are about to rebuild a outdoor bench, and we're going to be cleaning one of the two end pieces. This is one of the two end pieces. It's time to clean. So this is the clean one, and this is the not clean one, in case you couldn't tell. This one, yeah, looks a lot better. Soon this one will be looking like this, so, yeah. This is Boss Man. He makes me do all this work while he sits here drinking coffee, telling me to get back to work. Like, come on.
Get back to work.
Let me get the toothbrush. We're back to work on the park bench project, and we just got a new blade that we're going to put in the Black & Decker table saw. So now we're going to put the blade in. So now we have the new blade in. We have a guideline, a safety shield, and it's all plugged in, so we're ready to cut some wood. So while we're doing this, we have to. I'm putting on a mask, safety glasses, and gloves. I'm putting on the mask so I don't breathe it in. The goggles so it doesn't get in my eye, and then I'm wearing these just in case anything does go wrong. I don't want hands to get cut or any splinters. So. So here are two different types of wood. This is the wood that we just practiced on to make sure we had the measurements on the saw and everything right. And then this is the wood we actually use. It's called Ipe. It's a much harder wood. This is the sawdust from each wood. As you can see, this sawdust has a lot of bigger chunks of wood. While the Ipe is very fine. It's almost like a powder. Look at that. Flies away in the wind. Because it's more dense, so it cuts much more I want to say clean. It cuts a lot better, and so it's a lot higher quality. But that's just the two differences, and also the coloration. But yeah. So now we're going to be using the router, which pretty much rounds these edges out on the front side so that it's more comfortable. And so we have to find which side looks better. which in my opinion, I'm thinking it's this one. So we put that facing down. Turn it on. We're here at the workshop today, drilling the pieces of wood to make them fit. This right here is what we used. We clamp these two pieces down. We put the wood in this little hole, and then we just press this down while it's spinning so that it just drills straight through. And then we're here with Mike, who is helping us with everything.
So the smaller pulley on the motor makes it go slower. Okay?
Yeah.
If I were to bring this thing all the way down, it would barely turn. Okay?
I'm pulling this one, right?
Yep, that's correct. There you go. Use the key a couple more times.
Okay.
Until the thing falls out. There you go.
Today we ran into an interesting problem. All of these holes right here are completely even, completely lined up. But the problem is that the two end pieces, they're not completely lined up. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to drill into some of those holes to make them wider so that then we can align them correctly. This is my sister Eden. She's joining us today. Boss man thought we needed an extra laborer, so she's here. So right now the bench is actually starting to look like a bench. Boss man's taking a quick break. Same with my sister Eden.
Back to work.
Oh, okay. You in? Mm-hmm. Good? Next one. Tighten. Hold. Now lift a 200-pound bench. Okay, ready? Couple steps. Then stop. Okay, ready? Steps up. You got it? Yes. Struggling. Okay, down. And now we just have to move it like right here, okay? So try and turn yours that way. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, ready? Boss man, my grandpa, just put these supports underneath the bench, and now it's very, very sturdy. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a wood burner, and I'm going to engrave our names into here so that it's a little clearer to read. And after I do that, though, it will be 100% done. This has been a very, very fun project, and it has turned out very well. And Grandpa has just informed me that this is going to be my 12th birthday present. So maybe someday, who knows if I'll be able to do this with my own kids. But hopefully this lasts a very long time.